Before use, perform the pre-operation inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Before beginning, ensure the generator is on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area. Then perform a visual inspection of the generator, looking for debris, leaks, and worn components that may impair its operation. Remove grass, leaves, and other flammable materials or debris, especially near the hot exhaust system. Loosen the two maintenance cover fasteners, pivot the cover out, and remove the cover. Next, inspect the engine oil level and add oil as needed to bring the oil to the upper mark on the dipstick. Inspect the exhaust system for leakage. Tighten or replace the gasket as needed. Then open the fuel cap on top of the generator. Check the fuel level and refuel as needed. Continue by inspecting the choke lever for smooth operation. Reinstall the maintenance cover and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. Then pull the recoil rope out and inspect for any damage or wear. Once your inspection is completed, proceed to starting the generator as described in the owner's manual and on the Help Center website. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.